just gonna know. 1, 2, 3, 4. Finally broke in the middle of April. Jacob loaded up his wagon for last year's fur. After making the trip alone, 'cause it would be too risky for his pretty wife Sarah and the unborn child she carried with her. It took 2 weeks to reach the Mississippi River, and he turned south toward New Orleans. For a boy from the mountains, it was easy to get caught up in the sights and the sounds of the city and things never seen. And the river rolls on like an endless river. The sunlight glistens on the rocks below. You can hear her voice in the rippling water, saying, "Please be home for the cold wind blows." He fell in with a bad companion, said, "Give me all your money or I'll take your life." Jacob drew his pistol, and in less than a heartbeat, the stranger lay head on the floor, and someone had to pay the price. After 2 long years in Louisiana prison, he stands on the hill that overlooks his farm, with his woman by his side. Thanks God for his blessings, most of all for the blonde-haired child sleeping in his arms. And the river rolls on like an endless river. Sunlight glistens on the rocks below. Hear her voice in the rippling water, saying, "Please be home for the cold wind blows." And the river rolls on like an endless river.